Hiya, welcome back to the channel. So today is going to be a really long video. Right, so if we do this and then we press this button, window goes down. Press this button, other window goes down. But then yes, which means that you have to do shit like that to put it back up. So the intention of this video is going to be to replace that button there with, yes, a replacement. So first I need to remove that button, which I'm pretty sure it just pulls out. So we insert the trim removal tool in a careful, precise manner. Yes. And as we can see, that went completely as expected with the desired effect. If we look at the new one, we can see that there's some little metal clips that hold it in place. So if I get a nice, delicate trim removal tool and stick it in here nice and carefully, and I should really use a plastic one so it doesn't scratch any of that, but it's not my van. So what we're doing is, instead of leaving it outwards, we're actually forcing the switch unit that way to remove that from there, and then the same from this side, and like magic it does come out nice and set, essentially in an effective manner, so we can get hold of it with our fingers and pull it all the way out, which reveals a brown plug to remove. Not sure if the other ones are brown, but we're doing the passenger side off the driver's side, which has a brown plug. That one might have a different colour plug. It doesn't matter what colour the plug is, it's still going to do the same thing. So there's a little tab there that we push in, and with that pushed in, we can nice and easily, as you can see, we can nice and easily remove, yes, the switch. And then hopefully we can plug this one back in. Now there's an alignment tab inside, so it'll only go in one way. And if you look, there's a hole there, and then there's the locking tab. They line up to each other. So that plugs in there nice and carefully. And at this point, before it's pushed back into the hole, we should check it works. Yes. And as we can clearly see, it even lights up too, but yes. 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 So now we just push it back into there. And that's it. Anyway, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all the usual shit. Check out my other videos, check out my Instagram. And I'll see you next time.